DJMTV.
Hey guys, welcome to another exciting edition of DJMTV Daily News Update. Good morning to you, good afternoon to you, and good evening to you, depending on the time zone at which this video got to you. If this is your first time of seeing any of our video or you're a returning subscriber, please do not forget to go a step further, like this video, share and subscribe to all our channels. You can also check us out on our website www.djmtv.news. Let's go straight up into the main news.
Buhari asks court to dismiss the appeal to swear in Atiku. Hey guys, this is still DJMTV Daily News Update. The President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Muhammadu Buhari, have asked the Court of Appeal in Abuja to dismiss the appeal seeking to nullify his election and swear in Atiku Abubakar as president. It was earlier reported that the Incorporated Trustees of the Civil Society Observatory for Constitutional and Legal Compliance has filed the appeal over its contention that the affidavit made by the president in the 2019 general election was falsified. But the All Progressive Congress and President Muhammadu Buhari's submission is contained in their respondent brief of argument filed on January 31st, 2022, challenging the appeal by the civil society organization. Nnamdi Ahawe, who is the counsel to the civil society organization, has filed the appellant brief contending that the affidavits made by President Muhammadu Buhari on November 24, 2014 at the Federal High Court, including his academic qualification document as filed by his presidential form President APC/001/2015, are currently with the Secretary, Military Board as at the time of the affidavit, and it is false. The civil society organization is also contending that there was no any organ, institution, agency, department or authority known as and called the Military Board existing in the Federal Republic of Nigeria as at 24th day of November 2014, when the third defendant, President Muhammadu Buhari, GCFR, deposed to an affidavit sworn at the High Court of the Federal Capital Territory, Abuja. It added that in the event its relief succeed, the appellant court should grant a consequential order nullifying the election and withdrawing the certificate of return to the office of the president, and direct the first defender respondent, INEC, to issue a new certificate of return in respect of the office of the president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria to Alhaji Atiku Abubakar of the People's Democratic Party (PDP), being the candidate who came second in the general election in 2019 to the office of the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. But in the video we're about to watch, we saw the counsel to the President, Muhammadu Buhari, who has said that everything has been said and done and they're just waiting for the chaos that happened in the court to be settled and then they can move on. Let's watch the video. We'll be right back.
Okay, thank you. I am counsel for the appellant, the civil society organization that instituted this case to challenge the qualification of the president to aspire. This case has been on since 2018. It's not a new case. It's been moving slowly. So the appeal was fixed for hearing today. But the third respondent, there was now an issue because different law firms filed processes for the third respondent, that's President Buhari, and all claiming to have been duly briefed by the president to represent them. And so the court, after hearing all the argument, decided to allow them to go and sort out the issue of proper representation. And so the matter has been adjourned to 18th May for hearing of the appeal.
So what was the matter for today?
The matter was for hearing of the appeal.
What were the grounds, sir, for it?
Okay, the grounds, you know, as a matter of fact, that when the matter is in court, we cannot really go into the details and merits for the public. But generally, we are challenging the proper nomination of President Buhari, and but on different grounds from those that have already been determined by the Court of Appeal and the Supreme Court. I think I need to make that clear. These are on different grounds. But it's still a challenge to his qualification. Yes. No, that's not correct. As you know, this suit, in 2015, we also brought this suit, and we couldn't conclude it for some reasons. And of course, a lot of times in litigation have unintended consequences. So there is no coordination with anybody. This suit is meant to push the Constitution. They raise constitutional issues. They raise issues of law. And as you know, in the mature democracies, it is the duty of lawyers to ensure that the strict letters and intendments of the Constitution and the law are, complied with. And that is our interest. As to who might benefit or not is not really what we are thinking of at this time.
Oh, well, there seemed to be a kind of confusion, sort of. The party mandated me to represent it, and also the president before the court in the matter, and that's precisely what we have done. We filed our briefs and we were ready to go on with the case. However, someone said that he has instructions from the president to represent him, and that is what is about to be resolved, and then we'll come back to court on May 18th. Once the matter is resolved, and then we can go ahead with the hearing of the case.
So how do you intend to resolve it?
Well, as it were, we have a letter expressly instructing us to represent the two respondents, the second and the third respondents, and that is what we have done. So I think it is for the party, it is for the person who is laying claim to having instruction from the president to represent him to convince the court as regards the authority that he has. Was he in writing? Was he oral? However it was. I mean, what we know is that we have a document that substantiates our position and our claim that we're representing them. Thank you very much.
I wouldn't say uproar. It's a normal occurrence in court. There's a new lawyer that entered appearance for second and third respondent. We've been the counsel in this matter. At the trial court, there was a different representation for second respondent. Now SAN and Babatunde Ogala represented the second respondent, and we represented the third respondent at the trial court. When this appeal was entered at the Court of Appeal, we also represented the third respondent. But my learned friend this morning, we discussed, and he showed me a letter of instruction from the All Progressive Congress. The third respondent is a named party, the second respondent is a named party. They are not the same thing. But however, it's something that can be sorted out amongst ourselves, and that's what we informed the court, that we are going to sort out the issue of representation as regards the third respondent. Yeah. You see, the law is settled, and it's a law court. With all due respect to the justices of the Court of Appeal, the issue of representation is for the litigant to decide. And the honorable thing was what I informed the court, that it was going to be sorted out. And you could see the court indulged us with that request, and the matter was adjourned to May. So it's not for the court to ask who instructed you. The court, if there is doubt as to representation, what the court will do is to ask parties to go and sort out issue of representation, which the court has done. And if it becomes something of contest, the court will invite the litigant, and the litigant will say, this is my lawyer. But it has not gotten to that, really. We are all we are on the same side. We are all the same. APC, President Muhammad Buhari is a member of the All Progressive Congress, and we are all on the same side. So I think it's just banter. The court was just trying to, it was on the lighter side.
Let's get into the background of this case.
Yeah, the appellant is contesting the documents submitted by President Muhammad Buhari in his INEC EC Form 9 and EC Form 9A. The issues in this appeal has been decided in the case of Amadou Abubakar Atiku against INEC, and my Lord, the Chief Justice of Nigeria stated clearly that President Muhammad Buhari is eminently qualified.
Welcome back, guys. So here we have it. We've heard from the lawyer representing the CSO, and also we saw that he said everything is going as planned and they are waiting for the adjourned date. And we also heard from the lawyer representing the federal government, talking about President Muhammadu Buhari and the All Progressive Congress, Afolabi, who has said that a new lawyer came into court today claiming that the president asked him to defend the APC and the presidency. So guys, what do you think about the clash between the two lawyers? Is it proper to have two lawyers represent a particular client when they don't even know themselves? That is what has just transpired, as we have heard from Afolabi, who represents President Muhammadu Buhari in this case. So guys, what are your thoughts and comments? Drop them with us in the comment section below.
Thank you for staying with us till the end of this video. And as a way of reminder, we are also on Instagram and on Facebook at DJMTV. Also, you can check us out on our website www.djmtv.news. You can also place your advert with us at DJMTV, and be rest assured that your business would get to the desired market. Until I come your way with another exciting edition of DJMTV Daily News Update, thank you for watching.
Yeah.
DJMTV. DJMTV.
Fulani people don't say no, they don't like us.
Welcome to DJMTV.
DJMTV. DJMTV. DJMTV. DJMTV.
Some of the delegates and ask the question.
DJMTV. DJ